winter we've had in Minnesota that I can ever remember. I don't remember a time that we've ever had less snow and less cold weather. There was 2 or 3 days maybe that it got down to 0 and the wind chill might have been like minus 22 or something like that. But that was it. I mean, there's been almost no snow on my driveway or in my yard all winter long. It's been awesome. I've only used my snowblower like once, I think. So this will be by far the earliest that I do what I'm going to do today. I can see from here, there's green coming up in our lilies right now. There's already stuff green pushing up through the mulch. So this is going to be a great spring. So let's do this. There he is. Oh boy. All right, so obviously here's what we're doing today. We're taking that car cover off, we're putting that thing in there. We're going to attach the battery, clean her out a little bit. We're going to get rid of all the dryer sheets I got stuffed everywhere to keep the mice out. Then we got to air this thing out a little bit because it always does kind of, it's really strong in there for a couple of days at least until I keep the windows down. But hey, if those things keep the mice out, then who cares if you're putting a bunch of dryer sheets in there, right? So we're gonna pull that car cover off. All right, so the way I do this, same every time. It's gonna make it easier in November when I put the car cover on. I just roll up the sides and then roll them up again. Try and get it to, I'd say, about a good, maybe 12 inches. Yeah, don't get cute with that. And then I roll it up from the back and then roll it up from the hood until we get it up on top of the roof. And then hopefully it's the right size to get into the little sleeping bag cover. All right, let's go. All right, so you can see now here, I just folded this lip over here all the way down here, and then I pulled it off of the pieces that go over the side mirrors and have it folded up to about there on each side. Now we'll get the back. Oh yeah. Alright, so this one also has a little space for your antenna, but I always just take it off. take any chances on anything happening to it. So now here's the other passenger side. Okay, fold her all the way down. There we go. Alright, so I won't completely bore you with all the removal, but I'll show you all the spots that I actually put the dryer sheets. Alright, so I stick one in each exhaust pipe. In the rims. All along the entire edge of where the window meets the car. Same on the other side. Alright, all down where the hood. I think these will come out like that. Alright, so I got everything from underneath the hood here, right? But I have to connect the battery before I can unlock the trunk. So we'll get the last of them out of the trunk after I hook up the battery. We'll just go screw that on in a second here. But this should be the last as one comes raining down. There's some of the deck up here too. Alright, so I'm just going to tighten down the nut on the contact for the battery, and then I am going to go inside and get all of my cleaners, and we're going to clean this thing up real good. It's looking mighty dusty, even though it was really clean before I put that car cover on, right? There's nothing you can do about that. So, oh, yeah. There it is. Let's take care of this. All right. Easy enough.